AI can now turn simple 2D images into stunning 3D visuals, instantly. No need for advanced software or design skills. Whether you're a content creator, designer, or just love experimenting with cool tech, these 3 AI websites will blow your mind. So, let's check out 3 free AI tools that create 3D images in seconds. First up, LeiaPix Converter. This site takes any flat image and transforms it into a moving 3D animation, complete with depth and perspective. Simply upload your picture, and within seconds, it generates a depth map that gives your image realistic motion. You can even adjust the intensity of the depth effect and export it as a short MP4 or GIF. It's perfect for social media posts that really stand out. Next, 3dthis.com. This classic tool has been around for years but recently got an AI upgrade. You can create stereoscopic 3D images, wobbly GIFs, or even 3D face morphs, all from your browser. Just pick a template, upload your photo, and watch it turn into something that pops right off the screen. No account, no downloads, just instant results. It's like Photoshop magic, minus the headache. Finally, Kaiber Convert 2.5D tool. Known for AI video generation, Kaiber now lets you add realistic 3D motion to still photos. It gives your image subtle parallax movement, making it feel alive. Upload your image, choose a style like cinematic or portrait, and Kaiber does the rest. It's ideal for making music videos, reels, or dynamic backgrounds. So there you have it, 3 AI websites that can instantly turn any 2D photo into a 3D masterpiece. No coding. No 3D modeling. Just pure creativity powered by AI. Try them out and let me know in the comments which one impressed you the most. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.